Hey there, folks. So today we got chapter 5 of the frame build, and gonna do some miter the head tube and the down tube today, and so yeah, that's what I got going on right now. And yeah, hopefully we can get the best case, maybe we can get the front triangle tacked up and welded up, possibly. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I started by hacksawing the excess material off of the opposite the painted side of the tube there before mitering. So I got my the down tube. You know, I got one end there. I got the bottom bracket end mitered up, and my center line there, and so about at the moment of truth, you know, at this point. So I've measured it numerous times, got the angles correct, got the distance correct, so I've got it, you know, it's a little tricky getting the, you know, getting this tube, where the head tube's going to be, you know, I guess perpendicular exactly to the bottom bracket, which, you know, kind of my tooling and measurements and such here is a little rudimentary, but, you know, I think I've basically got everything, you know, just put a, you know, level on it, and, you know, got it within the same plane as the hole saw there. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. Yeah, my super awesome tube notcher does it does a pretty decent job, I guess. You know, before on some of the tubes I've done was, you know, just take the little piece of paper and you know, mark out your tube and cut it from there with, you know, just hacksaw and file it out, which, you know, this drill press and cheapy tube notcher, I would say moderately better, but, you know, at some point I would definitely like to get a mill, you know, something that's a little more easier to set up and adjust the angles and such, which you can get a fairly decent angle, you know, accuracy wise with this, repeatability wise and such, but it takes a little while to, you know, to get it all set up and everything else. But, you know, the hole saws that I have here, also some really cheap hole saws that I got at the same place that I got the tube notcher, and, you know, you can see they wobble pretty good, but you know, I don't know, you always have to deburr them a little bit, and so, you know, it's I guess the main difference between this and just manually cutting them and filing them is you're going to do probably about 90% less filing to get the finished, a really nice mitered joint there that's ready to weld up and you know, and such. But anyway, yeah, I'm getting, you know, got pretty good, you know, it's pretty nice to use the edge of the angle iron there to use the angle finder there to get, you know, a really nice, tight, accurate angle on it. But yeah, got all the tubes mitered there fairly easily. Had to do the bottom of the down tube kind of upside down to get that weird angle, but, you know, got it done. Alright, so got it all mitered up, cleaned up a little bit there, and everything angle wise and everything, it fits up real nice. I had to, it's just laying there, you know, it's not, you know, but it butts up real nice. But basically I just gotta, you know, miter this little part here, you know, to you know, compensate for where the C-tube intersects there. So yeah, if I do that, this down tube, I'm pretty happy with how this deal came out. So yeah, let's get this mitered out, do the top tube, and then maybe we can get it welded up later today. Alright, so got that notched out, and pretty happy with it overall. It fits up pretty nice. All my angles are pretty well spot on, so just got to do the head tube, or the top tube at this point, and yeah, digging it. So the top tube, and we'll go from here. Alright, so seeing as how it's getting pretty hot, you know, hot out here in the shade, so it's getting hot in the garage area. But anyway, yeah, got it all finally. Got everything mitered up. Pretty happy with it all. You know, it's right over my little drawing there, so you know, at this point I'm going to transfer all this over to the welding table there, and I still need to get I'm going to make some little clamp, or just some little metal, just some angle iron with a flat top, and then I'm going to clamp it down. So I need to get, I think I'm short a couple clamps, so I need to go and make a tool run and get some clamps, and then basically fabricate the little stops there for the top. And actually kind of for the third time changed my drawing there. So I actually just kind of, you know, I didn't like the, you know, the top of the seed tube is here, so you know, I didn't want that tube to be sitting way down here. I wanted it to look a little cleaner, so got it sitting about there now. Yeah, about an inch out maybe from the top, maybe a little more, but I think it's gonna look a lot cleaner like this. But yeah, so this will be the conclusion of the part 5, and get her all welded up and see how she goes from there. And again, thanks for watching.